This facility right behind me is a very unique facility, climate control facility. Made sure that the bacterial load factors are all kept under a check. We can actually manufacture ice cream, same quality of ice creams that are manufactured in factories of Europe and America. We as I said, we ensure that there is a very, very comfortable working environment out here. Nobody is allowed to sweat in our factory. Temperatures all set. We have this nice visitors gallery where you're standing right now, where people are welcome to. We call in people to come in. Look at how ice creams are manufactured. We basically take them through the process. We have a small little movie for these people to see what the history about ice creams, quality, and how ice creams have evolved over a period of time. We supply to almost all the five-star hotels in Hyderabad by our ice creams. Any property of Taj here in Hyderabad area, in Vijayawada, we supply our ice creams. We supply to ITC Group, we supply to Marriott Group, we supply to big supermarkets. Spencer's is a very special partner of ours. So Metro Cash and Carry, we supply to various stores around the region, and also some distant ones. Our brands are sold in Walmart now. Walmart was very happy to accept our brands, and you will hear lots of about our brands in the next few months to come. We make lots of nice specialized ice creams. If you were to take Exotica range, they are almost natural ice creams. Ice creams that are designed to deliver complete pleasure, pure happiness, and all ice creams are completely based on natural usage of natural ingredients. We kind of keep away from artificial coloring, flavoring. So that's a whole lot of very, very nice natural ice creams are there in the Exotica range. And of course, we have this among the popular segment brand Jumani and brand Diffie. We have a whole series of segments, subsects under which we supply. We take care of people's requirements, meeting different flavors, different kinds of novelties, and we have the whole range. And we will be expanding. We are there in lots of markets already. Whatever markets we are not there, so we've built a plant now. We have very decent large capacities. So obviously it's in our interest to make sure that we would be seen in most of the markets of AP within the next few months. Right now I would not like to comment on our turnovers, but yes, we are moving along. We're happy with our progress. Thank you.